Okay, question 15. A little bit of bleed through from the previous page, this dumb marker. But okay, so this one, 8 out of 8 people got this one wrong. And so let's go through this. We got a student attempted to confirm function f defined by that function is continuous at x equals 2. In which step, if any, does an error first occur? So one of the things we always do is we plug in 2. We basically evaluate f at 2 first just to see what happens. All right, so we would get 4 plus 2 is 6. So we end up with a 0 on the top, and then we get a 2. So, or evaluating the bottom at 2, we get 4 minus 14 is 10 plus 10. Oh, hang on. 4 minus 14 is negative 10 plus the 10. We do end up with 0 over 0. So we know that it is discontinuous there. It's probably removable discontinuity. So then what we do is we go through and we simplify this. So we're back to, this is evaluating it at 2, but now what we need to do is try and do the limit as x approaches 2 from the left or the right. And so we can simplify this first, which the student did here. And that's correct. And you can verify that if you really want to. You can go through and simplify it and just double check. And then we're going to apply the limiting function because these x minus 2s are going to cancel out. That's our removable discontinuity right there. So as we apply the limit, this looks correct because we got the x plus 3 and the x minus 5 down below. Now what we'll do is, since we did that simplification, we will then put the 2 in. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So that looks okay. So step 2 looks okay as well. Step 3 is evaluating the function at 2. We already did that. We got 0 over 0. Step 3, this student evaluated the function, but not the regular function. They evaluated the simplified version of the function. And so that's an error right there. That's where their error crept in. They evaluated the function after simplifying when they should have evaluated it at 2 prior to simplifying. So the student sees negative 5/3 and negative 5/3 and says, oh, it must be continuous. And so that's where the error crept in, is in step 3.